Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial in our series of videos for Windows 11. So if you want to reduce the brightness of your screen or of your monitor, you can click on the taskbar on the right side, or you can click on the icon of battery, sound, or even Wi-Fi, and this should appear. So this little indicator indicates the brightness. You want to increase or reduce it as you want. If this doesn't work for you, click on the left button of the mouse and select Display Settings. Here you will see brightness. By clicking on it, you can select whatever you want. So you can increase or you can just decrease the brightness accordingly. You can also add the option Night Light to protect your eyes from the blue light. Once done, just click to close, restart your computer, and your settings should be effective. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.